Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm very excited to share with you a giveaway, and I've partnered up with Look Fantastic to bring you their latest limited edition that is now sold out. This is the Look Fantastic X Sarah Chapman beauty box. Gorgeous box. Really pretty. You might have seen me unbox it on my channel a couple of days ago. So I'll just open it up and quickly show you what you'll get inside. There's 3 full-size items and there's 3 minis. I'm not going to open them up completely because I want it to be a bit of a surprise for you so that you can open it up and not have my hands all over it beforehand. But if you're interested in seeing in a little bit more detail what's inside this box, then I'll add my unboxing in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there, including the details on how to enter. So we've got the Sarah Chapman Facialift roller tool. Now this is a full-size item and it costs £30. See there? Then we've got the Skinesis facial, and this is full size and it's a serum. Then we've got the overnight facial, which again is full size, and this is another serum to apply to your face before you apply any creams. Then we've got a 30ml ultimate cleanser. We've got 5ml Skinesis eye recovery cream. And then finally we got a 5ml comfort cream de-stress moisturizer. So it all comes together in this beautiful box, which has got a magnet clasp. So to be in for a chance of winning this box, which has a value of £184.50, I want you to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Click the like button, click notifications, and down in the comments, comment down below your favourite skincare product. It doesn't have to be from Sarah Chapman, it can be from any brand. And also in the comments, I'd like you to put your contact details, a way for me to contact you, whether that's your email or Instagram name, etc., just so that I can easily contact you. I'll be running this giveaway for a month. I'll be opening this up internationally, and I'll be using a random comment generator tool to pick a winner. And also, if you're under the age of 18, please make sure that you have your parents or carers' permission to enter. So I think that's it. If I've missed anything else out, I'll pop it in my description anyway. When the date comes around for me to pick a winner, make sure your YouTube is not set for private so that it's public, so then I'm able to see whether you are subscribed to me or not. In my last giveaway, I had 4 different winners. I went through nearly an hour trying to find different people because there was lots and lots of people that I couldn't see if they were subscribed to me or not. It's all in your account details and privacy settings and things like that. I've posted giveaways to Las Vegas, to Greece, to Portugal, Lapland. I've posted everywhere. Italy, France, everywhere. My giveaways aren't just for the UK. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon, and take care. Bye.